Though, M's word insert tab Alt Jod N. This tab contains all the commands for inserting items into your documents. Pages. Cover blank page. Page break. Pages. Cover page Alt Jod and Jod V drop down. The drop down contains the commands. Built-in, remove current cover page and save selection to cover page gallery. The list of built-in cover pages is alphabet, annual, austere, conservative, contrast, cubicles. Exposure mode, motion, pinstripes, puzzles, sideline, stacks, tiles and transcend. Blank page Alt Jod and Jod NP inserts a blank page by inserting two page breaks, one above the current insertion point and one below it. Page break CTRL Jod Enter. Inserts a page break instead of displaying the breaks. Dialog box. You can access all the other types of breaks using the breaks drop down on the page layout tab. Page setup group. Tables Alt Jod and Jod T. When a table is selected, you will see additional contextual tabs. Tables, table tools. Design. Tables. Table drop down. This lets you quickly drag out the table size. The maximum size you can drag is 10 by 8. The drop down contains the commands. Insert table Alt Jod and Jod T Jod I. Insert table displays the insert table dialog box. Draw table Alt Jod and Jod T Jod D. The draw table lets you create a table by inserting horizontal and vertical lines using the mouse. Convert text to table Alt Jod and Jod T Jod V. The convert text to table displays the convert text to table dialog box. Excel spreadsheet Alt Jod and Jod T Jod X. The Excel spreadsheet command inserts an Excel worksheet into the document. Quick tables Alt Jod and Jod T Jod T. The quick tables lets you insert tables that have been stored as building blocks. Illustrations. Pictures online shapes icons 3D smart art chart screenshot. Pictures Alt Jod and Jod P displays the insert picture dialog box. Clip art Alt Jod and Jod F toggles the display of the clip art task pane to let you insert drawings, movies, sounds, photos etc. Shapes Alt Jod and Jod SH drop down. The drop down contains the commands recently used shapes, lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block, arrows, flowchart, callouts and stars and banners. This list is slightly different in Excel. Models. Illustrations. Smart Art Alt Jod and Jod M displays the Choose a Smart Art graphic dialog box switch. Lets you choose from the following different types of smart art: list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix and pyramid. Links. Chart Alt Jod and Jod C displays the insert chart dialog box. There is no more MS graph and datasheet. Chart data is now opened up in an Excel spreadsheet. Link. Bookmark. A cross-reference. Links. Hyperlink CTRL Jod K. Create a link in your document for quick access to web pages and other files. Displays the insert hyperlink dialog box. Bookmark Alt Jod and Jod K. This displays the bookmark dialog box. Cross-reference Alt Jod and Jod RF displays the cross-reference dialog box. This lets you cross-reference other parts of your document. Typically used for figure numbers and section headings. Header or footer. Header footer page. Number. Header or footer. Header Alt Jod and Jod H drop down. This displays a gallery of the built-in headers. The drop-down also contains the commands edit header, remove header and save. Selection to header gallery also appears on the header and footer tools design. Contextual tab, footer Alt Jod and Jod Shunya drop-down. This displays the gallery of built-in footers. The drop-down also contains the commands edit footer, remove footer and save selection to footer gallery. Also appears on the header and footer tools design contextual tab. Page number Alt Jod and Jod New drop down. The drop down contains the commands top of page, bottom of page, page margins, current position, format page numbers, and remove page numbers. The first 4 commands all display galleries of built-in page number options and allow your save your own to the gallery. The format page numbers command displays the familiar page number format dialog box. Also appears on the header and footer tools design contextual tab. Why when is this? Disable text A signature line text quick word art drop box paths cap object text A date or time text box or jor and jor x drop down lets you insert a text box that can be positioned anywhere on the page. The drop down contains the commands built-in draw text box and save selection to text box gallery. There are 36 different types of built-in text box shapes and positions. Quick paths or jor and jor q drop down. The drop down contains the commands or text added in 2010 document property field building blocks organizer. Get more on Office Online removed in 2010 and save selection to quick path gallery. Word art alt jor and jor w drop down. The drop down gives you a choice of word art styles to insert. The edit word art text dialog box is displayed when you click on a word art style. The styles are slightly different to those in Excel. Drop cap alt jor and jor rc drop down. The drop down contains the commands none page number 4 dropped in margin and drop cap options. The drop cap options command displays the drop cap dialog box. Signature line alt jor and jor g button with drop down lets you use and insert digital signatures into your documents. The button inserts a digital signature line that specifies the individual who must sign. The drop down contains the commands Microsoft Office signature line and add signature service. Date or time alt jor and jor d displays the date and time dialog box. Object alt jor and jor j button with drop down. The button displays the object dialog box allowing you to insert embedded objects. The drop down contains commands object and text from file. Symbols equation symbols equation alt jor and jor a button with drop down. The button inserts an equation at the current location and then displays the equation tools design tab. The drop down contains the following built-in equations: area of circle, binomial theorem, expansion of a sum, Fourier series, Pythagorean theorem, quadratic formula. At the bottom are the commands insert new equation and save selection to equation gallery. Symbol alt jor and jor u drop down lets you insert symbols into your documents. The drop down contains the commands euro, pound, yen, copyright, registered, trademark, plus minus, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, division, multiplication, infinity, micro, alpha, beta, pi, ohm, summation, smiley face, and more symbols. The more symbols command display the symbol dialog box. Different to Excel, it displays the common symbols for quick insertion. Important: none of these can be inserted from the Insert tab. Comments, line numbers, watermarks, page breaks.